Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Yeah, man.
Good. Let's be grateful today. Sending peace and love and happy thoughts for today. It's a beautiful day. There's sun. There's life. There's energy. Look at that. Look how the sun has smiled. Look how the sun. Ever seen a pipe in a river yet? Yo, it's cold. The water cold. River. Bush. Oh, the road there, sir. This is what's left of the river. It used to be bigger than this. People used to come and put them bath, yes sir. And wash your clothes on that stone. Can never forget. Climb that. Well, there used to be a tree. Then climb this. Then break leaves. We used to break leaves so we could put the clothes on there for it to dry. And then that's the back of my dad's people's house that we're never allowed to go to. Because they didn't like us. And then, yeah, this is where we'd come to fetch water to drink, eat, hang out, kids. Would be a lot of cows sometimes. There's one. But it looks different now than that house too. Yeah, this is where I grew up. This was my home.
I did a research before.
Oh, did you? Well, yeah. Have you heard that happens to lots of people? They just put whatever they want on it. Yeah.
Somebody care to take a photo?
What?
Go take a picture.
Take a picture?
Never.
Give me a phone.
So this is Top and Eyes. This is where I lived. It looks pretty much the same without the grass. This is one of the places that I lived. Oh Lord. Where do I walk? There used to be a road, but nobody lived here for a long time. So yeah, this is where I lived. Whoa!
What?
Spiders. I'm afraid of spiders.
You want to try to put it in? Oh!
Whose is it?
Wow!
Then chop up this then now.
I'll put it.
Chop up this.
Stand here.
Chop this. Move again.
You take it back with you?
Chop this one too. For the second joint. Give me. This way. We can't take too much cane.
Just at the right time you can.
Oh, gentlemen.
You arrived at the right time. With your machete. Oh, nice to meet you. And Tim. Dalton and Olivia's friend.
That fresh, you know.
Nice. Oh, you know it's fresh. Kind of boss.
A young cane is man. He's young.
Then I want to give me.
Can you get coconut for them? Coconut.
No, you got incoming right time.
Come on, right time.
Yes. Pop Chow.
You know me rate about this video. Me rate the fact that this youth don't forget where he come from. And he might try to make the world see where he might come from. You see me I said to you, them things are real, big brother. Real. Dalton, you don't know the whole thing they happen already with the baggers thing and so forth to this and so and so. But bottom line of the thing is, you don't forget where you come from and you try to make people see the experience. You see me I say, that life there what me say, with all the river there and all them things there, it's rough. Believe me, because I know them country life they too in a big brother. I know what it is to walk a mile or spring. You see me I say, and then I have to carry the bucket on your head and them thing there. So, enough Jamaican can relate to the what go on in another one. You see me? Big up yourself, Dalton. I love that. I love how you do that and make the world get an experience of how Jamaica set for summer way. You see me I say? Big up yourself, man. Alright people, anyways, you don't know that a Dalton Harris, the Mr. X Factor himself. You see me I say? I try to make people understand him life, how it was, and the change will happen. You can see the big change will happen. Things different. You see me? So big up yourself. And as always, I don't know, so the skill I go bring it to you as fresh as him can. Let you know have a view and see what I go on. If you don't like how I keep up to date, click the subscribe button. You don't know, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this way just see a dancer Skilla ENT. You know, big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.